Dear students, welcome to Alibros EduSoft. I am Vasima Tasnam. In this video, I am taking continuation of our last class, that is 8th Standard Geography Ncert textbooks 6th chapter Human Resources. Let's continue with the topic. Next is density of population. Number of people living in a unit area of Earth's surface is referred to as density of population. It's usually measured in the unit square kilometer. South and Central Asia has highest density of population, and the second one is eastern portion of Asia, and the third is southeastern portion of Asia. Next is factors affecting distribution of population. The first factor is geographical features. Second is social factors. Third is cultural factors, and the fourth one is economic factors. Let's explain what is geographical features. Geographical features includes topography, climate, soil, water, minerals. As you can see in the picture, the factors which can affect the distribution of population are economic factors, physical factors, and human and political factors. Let's explain about topography. The people prefer to live on plains rather than mountains and plateaus, as these areas are suitable for farming, manufacturing and service activities. People will not live in rugged or less plain areas. They will only settle on the areas where they have enough amount of rain, enough amount of water, enough amount of fertile land, etc. The Ganga plains are the most densely populated areas of the world. Andes, Alps and Himalayas are sparsely populated. That is because they are very hilly and rugged topography. Next is geographical features. Geographical features includes climate, natural resource, soil, water, minerals and also relief. Let's first explain about climate. People usually avoid extreme climates that are very hot or very cold. They will only try to live in very moderate temperatures. People will not live on Arctic or Antarctic regions mostly. There are less population in areas of desert, example Sahara Desert. Some examples of different climatic regions are Sahara Desert, which is the third largest desert in the world, polar regions of Russia, especially the tundra region of Russia. Next is Canada and Antarctica. Next factor is soil. Soil is the most important factor of settlement in different regions. Fertile soils provide suitable land for agriculture. Fertile plains such as Ganga-Brahmaputra region in India, Hwanghae, Changjiang in China and the Nile in Egypt are densely populated areas because of the most fertile land over that regions. So, fertility of land is very important in human settlement. Next factor is water. Water is the most important life supporting system. Human beings cannot survive without water. People prefer to live in areas where fresh water is easily available. River valleys of the world are densely populated, while desert region of the world has scarce population. We need to save water because it is the most important and vital resource we have in the world. The World Water Day is celebrated on 22nd March. 70% of the total water consumption is used for agriculture. Waste is discharged in water untreatedly. By 2025, 2/3 of the world's population could face water crisis. That is the reason why we are saying we have to save water. Next factor is minerals. The areas with large amount of mineral deposits are more populated. We have some examples like diamond mines of South Africa, as I said in the beginning of the chapter, and the discovery of oil in the Middle East led to settling of people in these areas. So, the presence of mineral in different regions of the world is also the most important geographical feature. Next factor is social factors. Areas of better housing, education and health facilities are more densely populated areas. Examples are Pune, Mumbai, Delhi, etc. Rural areas will be having less development than compared to that of very high metropolitan areas. Next is cultural factors. Places with religion or cultural significance attract more people. People from different areas come to these places as tourism, worships, etc. Examples of such places are Varanasi, Jerusalem and Vatican City. I will show the pictures of these places here. Next is economic factors. Industrial areas provide employment opportunities, so it attracts large number of people. In the areas of these industries, there are large number of MNCs, that are multinational companies. People have wide varieties of jobs there. We know about Gurugram. It is It is a cyber city. The most evolving factor, that is IT sector, has more importance in these regions. Other examples of the economic regions are Osaka in Japan and Mumbai in India are the two densely populated areas. Next is population change. The population change refers to change in the number of people during a specific time. Birth rate, the migration of people from one place to another, death rate are the most important factors for determining the population change in the country. This is due to changes in the number of births and deaths. These are all comprised of total population in the country. So students, I will wind up this video here. The remaining portion of the chapter will be taken on the next videos. If you have any doubts, please contact to this email ID. Thank you.